In this module, let's look at how applications can integrate with Universal Print. Universal Print provides hooks for applications to integrate with print job lifecycle. To do that, we need two things. When the job first arrives at Universal Print, we need the ability to pause the print job and run the program which can do our task. In other words, we need a trigger on the printer which creates a task for us when a print job is submitted to the printer. In Universal Print, applications will first need to create a task definition, which is an abstract definition of the print task. We can use the same task definition to create triggers on any number of printers in the tenant. Once that is done, we need a way to get notified by Universal Print when a task is created. To do that, we can create a subscription on task definition to notify us when a task is created for the task definition. Once we get notified about a print task, we can then process the print job and complete the task. Once the task is completed, Universal Print resumes the printing and document is printed. To see this in action, let's look at a flow in which our application is notified when a user submits a job against a printer and the app changes the job configuration to print the document in grayscale to save cost. In the constructor, I'm creating a graph client with application token. Let's go to the task definition demo function where we will first create a task definition, create a subscription for the task definition, and create a task trigger for a printer. First, let's go to the create task definition function to create a task definition. To create print task definition, we first need to create a task definition object with a given display name. Create the graph request object for the task definition. And finally, use add async method to create the task definition. Now, let's create a subscription to the task definition in the create subscription method. This subscription will notify us at this URL when a task of type given task definition is created, and use add async method to create the subscription. Once the subscription is created, let's go ahead and create a task trigger for this printer in create task trigger method. Creating a task trigger is as simple as creating a task definition. We first create a task trigger object which goes off and creates a task definition of given task definition type when a job is submitted to a printer. And create a graph request object for the task trigger. And finally, use add async method to create a task trigger for the printer. Let's go to my VM and print a document to the printer. I am in my VM. Let's print this document in a color mode. Let's go back to the Azure portal and look the status of the print job. Because we configured a task trigger on this printer, Universal Print has paused the print job and sent the notification to the application. Let's read the content in the request body. The notification.resource contains the task definition ID and task ID. Let's pass the resource to get those values. In the same way, parent URL contains the printer ID and the job ID. Let's pass this to get the printer ID and job ID. Let's get the print job in getPrintJob method. To do that, we first create the graph request object for the print job and get the print job using getAsync method. As you can see, the color mode in the job configuration is color. Let's update the color mode to print the document in grayscale in patch printer attribute function. First, we create a print job with job configuration as grayscale. Create a graph request object for the print job and use updateAsync method to update the job configuration. As you can see, the color mode has been updated to the grayscale. Let's go ahead and complete the print task that created this notification in complete print task async method. To do that, we first create a print task with status as completed. Then we'll create the graph request object for the print task and use updateAsync method to complete the task. Now that the task is completed, let's go back to the portal and look for the status of the job. As you can see, Universal Print has resumed the job as soon as we completed the task, and the job now is in pending state.